Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple crab roast in my style. So first I bought half kg crab. It was 3 in quantity. I washed them, cleaned them properly. And after that I put some turmeric, salt and some chili powder and marinated and kept it ready for 5 minutes. Then in a pan, I took some oil, mustard oil. You can use your own choice of oil, but mustard oil tastes much better. And then I just checked if the oil is hot enough. And after the oil was hot, I put my crabs in that and I did shallow frying. So you have to fry the crab properly or else it doesn't give you a better smell. It gives some couchy smell. So just ensure that you fry the crab properly uh, before you make the curry out.
This is actually crab. It might look like it's not crab. And my mommy cooked this. And I love crab. One day I ate this crab somewhere in a hotel with my grandparents.